Yes, Mukesh, you can start pressing greeting 1.
Okay.
Hi, this is Jane from Canadian Telecom Service. How are you doing today?
Fine. Now greeting 2, 3, 4. You can continuously press.
Hi, this is Jane from Shaw Direct DTH Service. How are you doing today? Hi, this is Jane from Uma Telephone Phone Service. How are you doing today?
Yeah. Now greeting 4.
Hi, this is Jane from TIK Internet
Hi, this is
Service.
Jane from
How are you doing today?
Fine, guys. Good. So in this way, I'll be having an examination session. Examination session now, because we have seen some tabs, right? So Manasi, you can choose any one. You can name them, and they are going to tell what are all the special things that is related to greeting 1, 2, 3, 4. They are going to explain the special things about greetings. Okay, they are not going to explain each and every tab. What are the special things that has to be considered while pressing greeting buttons? Yes, Manasi, you can tell the name.
Okay. I'll go with Shubham B. Shubham.B.
Yes.
Shubham, you
Yes,
can.
ma'am.
Yeah. So, will you please tell the specification about greeting 1?
And greeting 1 is basically from the telecommunication service department, where Jane is calling from the Canadian Telecom Services, and she is greeting the customer by saying, "How are you doing today?"
Okay, that is the explanation for greeting 1. That is good. And what is the special thing when you are clicking greeting 2 or greeting 3 or greeting 4? You will not have something, but when you are pressing greeting 1, you can have that thing. What is that?
Sir, I can play it for both A1, pitch A1, A2, and B1 and B2. Am I right?
No, you are wrong.
Okay, sir.
If you want to press A1 and A2, B1 and B2, you can go for greeting 2 also. Okay, who can correct it? Who can correct? Any one of you
Yes,
take
sir.
the chances. Yes.
Yes, sir. Myself, Dhanashri.
Yes.
Greeting 1 and greeting 2 are used for the television services.
Okay.
And first one is for the Canadian Telecom Service, and another is for the Shaw Direct D2H service. This
Okay.
television service.
Okay. About 3 and 4.
3 is for the phone service, and fourth greeting is for the internet service.
Okay, that is it. You want to say anything about this?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Anyone? This is the right answer, but still I need some clarity in speaking about these prompts. Who can tell
That's all.
what I'm expecting? Yeah.
Hello sir, this is Prashish.
Yes, please.
Yeah. So basically, this greeting 2 is for specifically for the DTH service.
Okay.
Greeting 3 is specifically for the telehome phone service,
Home
and the
phone
greeting 4 is for the CIK internet service. It's specific
Okay.
for the internet only, and this is
Okay.
for the home phone service only. Greeting 3, greeting 2 is for the specifically for the DTH service only, but greeting 1 is for the entire telecom service. I think so that the entire about, if we say about greeting 1, then we are saying about all the 3.
Very good. Fantastic. What he said is the exact things. Kindly give him a good applause. Yes.
Thanks a lot.
So I repeat the same thing. What is your name? Ashish? Sorry?
Rashish.
Ashish.
Rashish, sir.
Yeah.
Rashish.
Good, Ashish. So greeting 1, when you are pressing greeting 1, okay, or otherwise you can take in this way. When you want to speak about all the 3 services, when you want to handle all the 3 services or any one service or any 2 service also, you can press greeting 1. Okay, you can press greeting 1 and you can move for 1 service, 2 service or 3 service also. But if you want to go with only Shaw Direct service, at that time you have to press only greeting 2. If it is internet service, it is greeting 4. If it is home phone service, it is greeting 3. Okay, you got it, guys?
Yes,
we
sir.
got it.
Fine. Okay, so this is
Yes,
what
sir.
the this is what the proper explanation one should give when a question is asked. Okay, in this way you can try out with other prompts. Okay, So today we will be dealing the session with examination. I don't want to conduct the examination session separately. If you don't answer properly, I will explain you. Okay, then the explanation is also done. Examination is also done. Okay, in that way. Okay, reason for call. You are not going to explain what is the reason for call. Reason for call, I already explained it. You know that if you want, you can hear the recording, or otherwise you can just go to the Excel sheet training program, so you can see what is written there. But I want the special thing, what is there inside this prompt, where and all you can use this, when and all you can use this. In that way you have to explain this. Yes, Manasi, you can again choose someone.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, Jugal, are you there? Can you
Yeah.
explain about reason for call scenario?
Yeah, when the customer says why are you calling? What is the reason for the call? What is the purpose of this call? So the agent will be prompting this button.
Okay,
So
that is it.
this button says, the button says that we have called for promotion and
Yeah, why don't we
offers.
play the button? Mukesh, can you help us in playing the button?
Sir, I can't see that reason for call button in the website. I mean the link which you have provided. Can you
No,
please
you
help me out to-
you can just press control and minus. You can see that button also. Maybe if you are scrolling, you can find it out.
Okay. It's not working.
I am calling from telecommunication department
Well,
to
I've
provide
opened
television.
on the phone and I can see all the prompt, but I cannot see that the particular button reason for the call.
Oh, you couldn't find it. It is in the second row. Below to greeting one.
Below the greeting one, I can see where are you calling
Yeah.
from.
Left to that.
Actually,
Left to that one. Left side of where are you calling from? You can see reason for call. Just left side to the where are you calling from?
Sir, can I share a screenshot? I cannot see.
Okay, no worries, guys. No, thank you, Mukesh. No worries. So whatever the prompt you can see, you can click it because we can see it, but I don't know what is there. Maybe you have to scroll the thing. Okay, no worries. Other prompts you can click, but the reason for calling, guys, you guys can click by yourself. Okay, the shared screen guy, they don't need to click. The other guys can click the prompt once. Okay, click reason for call.
I am calling from telecommunication department to provide television, home phone, and internet promotional offer. Okay?
Okay, so I hope you would have you would have clicked it and heard it, right? Mukesh, maybe you can switch off the speaker actually, because I'm getting my voice back actually. Fine. So now I have some other thing to say about the reason for call. Who can say that? The guy who said at last he left out the point, or if he want to continue, he can continue.
I can share Shanmuga Sundari here. So reason for call is like suppose if you have started with a greeting and customer is like okay fine, at that time we can press the reason for the call so that customer will come to know that we are calling for reason, and he will be aware that this is call from a communication call.
Very good. So even if the customer is asking, we can do that, or otherwise we can also by ourselves we can do that. That is what you are trying to say, right? You said
Yes,
right?
yes.
Yes, very good.
Yes, yes.
Kindly give her a good applause. Guys, you have to be very clear whatever I am saying. If you did not understand, you have to hear the recording once again, because yesterday I said these things. Okay, so two guys got applause. One is Sundari and the other one is
Parishish.
Sorry.
Prashish.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Now let us move on to the next prompt. Every one of you click where are you calling from.
3350 Ridgeway Drive, Mississauga.
Ridgeway Drive, Mississauga, Ontario. L5L5Z9, Canada.
Fine. So everyone heard the prompt, right?
Yes.
Yes. This is a simple one. Yes, Manasi, you can choose based on your idea. You can choose someone. They have to explain where they have to click this.
Yes, Shubham is there. Shubham.f.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please proceed, Shubham.
Yes, thank you, ma'am. Okay. In the where are you coming tab buttons, we have to say the address of our telecom service. When the customer asks us where are you from, in that condition we click on that particular button and tell them the address of our telecom service.
Yeah, very good. And the customer will ask in this way only. Where are you from? That is like they are asking about your nationality. Indirectly they are asking where are you from. The slang differs. In that way, in voice call it will happen. Specifically here, where are you calling from? Okay, they will ask in this way, and what you said, the answer is right. So we have to tell this one. And I'm adding up one question on this. Suddenly, while you are playing this button, suddenly you are can you move the mouse? The guy who answered now, can you move the mouse on the prompt? No, on the prompt I'm telling. I think the prompt has gone. So you are the one moving the mouse, right? The guy who answered now.
What do you want
No,
me to
sir.
do?
No. I want the guy who answered for the previous prompt. He has to move the mouse on the shared screen. What about,
I'll stop my sharing.
no, Manasi. The sharing should be, it will be there. Okay. I want that guy to move the mouse. Can you see? I'm
Okay,
moving my
okay.
mouse, right? Okay, let us not go to the critical part. Let me make it simple. Fine.
Okay,
What is the name of that guy?
Prashish was there before.
Okay, fine. So, Prashish, like you are clicking this button. Okay, suddenly the customer is interrupting you. What you will do? I need immediate answer.
Where are you calling from, right?
Yeah, you are clicking it, and suddenly customer is interrupting in the middle of the recording. What you will do?
First we will first we will stop our recording,
Very good.
and
Okay.
yeah, and then we will give him a reason for a call, or we will just use and some of the acknowledgement like
No, your answer
okay.
is partially right. Stopping the prompt,
Yeah.
that is exactly right. And after that, what you have to do is you have to say, "I'm sorry," because they have interrupted us, but still
Yeah.
you are stopping the button and you are telling, "I'm sorry." They will continue. Okay, guys, you got this point, right?
Yes,
Yeah, these are all the ways to make this call lively and to get success in semi-voice process. You got it right?
Yeah.
Yeah, there are always ways in semi-voice process, that is avatar process, to make the customer to be on hold, but we don't know how to do it. Okay, so if you know the tactics, it is very easy for you. Playing with the buttons, we have everything in this prompt. Okay, the simple thing is
Yep.
stopping the button and immediately you have to ask sorry. What they will do is, okay, fine, they will continue the call, continue their conversation. Okay, next you can move on to the next one in that way. Okay, fine. Now, Manasi, you can choose the next one and I will ask them the question.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mukesh, are you there?
Yes, I'm there.
Fine. So, Mukesh, the customer is telling, Um, okay, you tell me better offer. Better. You can tell me when you will click a better offer. Okay.
If customer is using some other services, then we can prompt a better offer.
Mm-hmm.
And
Guys-
one more.
Guys, are
and
you
one-
convinced with that answer? Yeah, you are trying to say something, please.
But if someone is busy and little bit busy, I'll call you back. We can also use in that. First we have to click
Okay, I'm
better-
stopping you. I'm sorry, I'm stopping you. Let us not register the wrong thing here. Okay, fine. The first thing what you have tried something, that is okay. The second one you said totally wrong. Who can correct? Who can give the correct answer?
Sir, it's Shubham B.
Yes, please.
When customer wants more offer, or the second condition is when customer is using another service. So these are the conditions you told us in yesterday's session.
Don't tell me I told you. Okay, because I would have told you something else. Okay, what you got is something different, and don't tell that I told you. Okay, fine. Just kidding. You can repeat whatever the answer you are thinking. Okay, and people will correct you. What is the right answer? Come again. What is the answer for this?
When customer wants more offer, the first scenario, and the second is when customer is using another service.
No, your answer is wrong. I'm sorry to say this. This is a different scenario. Always the customer will be using some other service only. Okay. So you don't know about even if they are using the same service also. How you know? Only if you are pressing service A or B or C, D. Only then you will know. Okay. How can you find out initially
Hello?
to click? Yes, please. Who is that? Yes, please.
Irshad. Irshad.
Yes.
Actually, I'm not getting a voice. It's breaking. I'm so sorry for that.
Is it okay Is it okay now?
Yes, yes, thank you. If I just switch A1, then customer is saying better offer. So at that time, we can just there's a better offer. Am I correct?
No, it is not right. It is not right. Like any other one, please.
Yes, myself Dhanashri.
Yes, always Dhanashri will give the proper answer. Yes, come on.
If a customer says that I am already using another service with the better offer, then we
Fantastic.
can
That is
go
enough.
for-
That is enough. You don't need to continue anything. Let the guys hear the recording. Let them. Let us not waste the time. Okay. Kindly give her a good applause, please. Some 2-3 guys did not clap your hands. Come on. Yes. Fine, guys. What she said is right answer. But if you want to know the correct answer, start hearing the yesterday's session, which was recorded and it was in the Skype, right? So kindly hear that session. And if you want to rewind or forward, do that. Do some work. Only then you can get the right answer. Okay, you don't expect like Narendra Kumar will tell you the right answer, or your colleagues will give you the right answer and all. Okay, you have to find out the right answer. Only if you are working for you will get that point registered in your mind. Okay, so I'm not going to discuss about this better offer now. You are going to see it through the video. Okay, let us move on to the next one. Got a call already. Fine. Yes, Manasi. Manasi, you can ask the next guy. Sorry, you can point out the next guy, and I will ask the question for them.
Yes, sure. Kaustubh, can you help us out?
Yes, Kaustubh. Kaustubh, you have to explain in what scenario we have to click this got a call already.
We can press this button if customer says I have already got a call from your services, then only we can press this button.
Louder, please. I because
can you hear me, sir?
Sorry, yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, but when the energy level is low, my mind is not asking to listen you. It is not. It is getting deviated somewhere. So raise your voice.
I think. Okay. So we can press this button if customer says I have already got the call from your services, then we can press the button got call already.
Okay, so when the customer is saying, I already got the call, so you
Yes,
are pressing
from your
this
service.
button. Okay, do you remember what is there inside this prompt?
Yes, sir.
Yes, can you tell me?
Yes, sir. You would have got a call from my customer care department, but we are calling from promotional department.
Very good, very good. Yes, kindly give him a good applause.
Thank you.
Fine. So let us go. Who is going to play? Mukesh is going to play the button, right? Mukesh, you can play this got a call already button.
Okay.
You would have got a call from my customer care department, but we are calling from the promotional department only for the selected customers. All right?
Fine, good. Thank you, Mukesh. Fine. The next one also you can play once, like call me later.
Okay.
Sure. I'll call you back.
Fine. Yesterday we were discussing, someone asked about, how can we complete the sales target or something like that, right? You don't have to, you don't have to couple the customer when he is sick. But if the customer is saying call me later, but that time it is not must you have to click only call me later. You can try to hold the customer with various prompts which you can pull them into your call. Okay. For call me later and all, you don't need to. There is an option to leave them. Okay. Because they will be hanging up the call in the middle. Because some customers they say call me later. They are giving you a chance. You can put it in do not call. Sorry, you can put it in call back, and then you can call them again maybe after a week or after 3 days based on the dialer settings. Okay. But if you want to speak with that customer also already, what you can do is you can try to take a chance of better offer. It is not relevant actually. Properly, it is not relevant. But you can try to take a chance. By clicking the better offer. Now, Mukesh, you can click the better offer tab. Let us see what it says. Here we have a better offer too. Likewise.
Here, we have a better offer with us too. So could you spend 2 minutes of your valuable time? This will definitely save your hard-earned money. All right?
Yes, this is not exactly the next prompt we can click, but you can take a chance of trying with the customer. Okay, if it is working out, you can move ahead with pitch A1. Otherwise, you can just hang up the call and you can move on to the next call, which is where you can get a positive call. Okay guys.
Yeah, okay.
Hi, sir.
Yes. Your name?
Yeah, hi, sir. Sushil here. I have
yes.
one inquiry regarding to call.
Sorry.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
Sir, actually, sir, my question is, as you told me, right now, call me later. Customer clearly say call me later, then you can hang up the call, right? Or we can use other better offer option. And so
that is not relevant, properly relevant. Okay, but yesterday one guy said, right, whatever someone said, right, like whatever the thing, we have to make a lead. Okay, that is our duty. In that way, if you are thinking, at least something is relevant, right? So you are trying a chance. If you want to deal in that way, you can do it. But my approach is press call me later, hang up the call, and move on to the next call. It might be a positive one. Or if you want to take a chance, you can go with any of these prompts which is suitable for this or better offer. Okay.
Okay, my question is, sir, just call me later. On that time, we are going to disconnect it. And how can we go for communicate re-establish the communication? And how can we go re-establish the communication regarding for particular client?
Yeah, your question is, after hanging up, how can we press better offer? Is that right?
So how can we start re-establish the communication?
Sorry, how can you?
We re-establish the communication. Means, sir, how can we, suppose that we are going to click the press button, call me later, right? And on that time we are go for the disconnected the call.
No.
Customer.
No, you got it wrongly. Dhanshri, did you understand? If you understood, you can explain what I said.
Yes. If customer is busy, then we can use I am sorry and busy prompt to try to convince him. But if he directly says that call me later, then click on the prompt call me later, thank you, and hang up the call.
That is one
I'm
option. That is one option.
Yes, I'm-
Okay. The second option is,
I'm talking about the follow-up. The
sorry?
follow-up lead. How can we go follow up the lead if customer is told me call me later?
Yeah,
then how
that is
can
what
again?
that is what I'm trying. I'm trying to tell you. One option is what Dhanshi said. It is call me later. Press call me later and hang up the call. Okay, that is one option. But if you want to do something with that customer, instead of pressing the call me later, you can go with better offer.
Okay. All right.
Got it?
Got it.
It is not after pressing call me later, hanging up the call, then better offer. It is not in that way. You have to press call me later and hang up the call if you don't want to speak with that customer, if you want to move to the next positive customer, to find out next positive customer. But if you want to hold the customer who is saying call me later, instead of pressing call me later, you can go with better offer. That is what I said. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You got it now?
Can we go for
Sorry?
Kumar Mukesh side.
Yes. Any alternate options? You can tell me, please.
If customer is saying, hey, call me later, I am too busy, then in what scenario I have to hang up the call, na?
No, a customer will not tell me call me later, I'm busy, call me later. In this way, yeah, in this way they will tell like, I'm busy, call me later. That means busy. Guys, listen, if I'm speaking, just don't interrupt me. Okay, because 10 guys are hearing my voice. If you're stopping me, all the guys will get confused. Okay. Kindly hear, I request you. You asked a question, I will answer you. The customer is telling I'm busy, call me later. That means you have to give preference that they are busy. They informed you they are busy. Okay. Then you have to move for busy button only. Okay. That will give the proper answer for the customer. When they are saying I'm busy, call me later, or just busy, whatever. And if the customer is saying call me later, okay. If the customer is saying only call me later, there are two options which we discussed just before some time. Okay. This is what my answer is. Now you can ask me your question, please.
No, I got my answer. I'm just saying that it's customer saying I'm too busy, call me later. That's great. So you give me the proper answer. Thank you.
Yeah, that is busy only we are going to click. Yeah, that is why. Okay, so you understood, right? Instead of interrupting, you can listen. But thank you for understanding, taking my request. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Mukesh. Bye. Next one. Next question.
Sir,
we can move.
sir,
Yeah,
I have a
tell me.
question.
Name,
After pressing
please,
call me
please.
later,
Name please.
Jugal.
Joel, yes, Joel, tell me please.
After pressing this call me later.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so this prompt says that we are going to call you later. I mean, as per the customer's requirement, right? So are we really going to call that customer maybe like 1 week or 2 weeks or after a month, or
Yes.
it's just a prompt?
Yes, no. You will be
That-
definitely,
so
in dialer there will be an option. Tomorrow I am going to show you. In dialer there will be an option for you, answering machine, sales made, busy, not interested, do not call. Like this, there will be so many options. And that callback is very important option. Okay, and you can click callback on a specific date also. After 1 year, today is 29th, right? You can put 5th of June, and you can just submit. So on that day it will be the dialer automatically it will call back. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. There is option.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Okay.